Epic Originals presents Master Hamster's Super Science Weather. Written by Nick Murphy and Paul Ritchie. Illustrated by Shelley Paroline and Braden Lamb. Master Hamster's Super Science Weather.
It's cloudy with a chance of sciencing. Join Master Hamster and Adonis as they explore what causes weather. Then be blown away as you create your own weather-related experiment.
I am so excited you invited me on your top secret mission. Where are we? When do we do secrets?
It's a secret, Adonis. Thus, the blindfold.
Oh, I see. Even though I cannot see. But I will not check my internal GPS, which is always running.
So you know exactly
Where we are? Yes. Adonis is a good dog.
Well, since the surprise is already ruined, might as well do some science.
An uncharted island in the South Pacific Ocean. Very secret, very safe.
Should I unload the equipment?
Not yet. Be careful. That box is filled with indispensable sciencey supplies. This is the device I call Cirrus.
Hello. What would you like the weather to be today?
Adonis, you can handle high temperatures, right?
I am a very good boy who can handle anything.
Cirrus, give me that extreme heat. But make it humid. My fur is feeling a little dry.
Increasing atmospheric humidity and temperature. Humidity is the measure of water vapor, or moisture, in the air. As water molecules in ponds, puddles, and streams absorb energy from the sun, they break free from the water's surface and enter the air, causing humidity levels to rise. Humidity makes it harder for humans and hamsters to cool off. It can also cause some hamsters' hair to frizz out and look silly.
Yeah, Cirrus, move this hot air out and hit us with the cold stuff.
Producing cold air mass.
Can we make it snow all the time? Then the kids will never have to go to school, and we can play with them all day.
First things first. We're just experimenting. Let's see what happens when this cold air hits the humid hot air.
When two air masses collide, the warmer air rises over the colder air. The rising air carries water molecules into the upper atmosphere. They condense into tiny water droplets and form clouds. The tiny droplets join together to make bigger, heavier droplets. When the droplets get too heavy, they fall out of the sky as rain.
I've made rain! I'm a meteorological mastermind!
Ruh-roh. Cirrus? What weather pattern is that?
A storm system is developing. As clouds grow, they reach higher, colder areas of the atmosphere. Water in the tops of the clouds freezes into ice crystals. The ice crystals bump into each other. Those collisions release electricity, which creates lightning. Yes, lightning.
We're just experiencing a little teensy-weensy storm. Cirrus, can you cancel?
Yum Yum's a late-night snack. Piece of cod liver treat swallowed on a dare. Broccoli, Marcy made him eat it. Gum, swallowed 6.4 years ago. The bottom of a storm cloud is negatively charged. Lightning from this part of the cloud is attracted to positively charged things, such as tall buildings, trees, and hamster geniuses holding metal objects above their heads. Lightning superheats the air around it, causing it to explode explode outward. You could call this phenomenon exploding hot storm air, but scientists just call it thunder. Applying hot, initiating cold, administering hot, conveying cold.
Cirrus, are you okay? Fascinating. Hail.
Hailstones form when a storm's circulating winds carry ice pellets between cold areas of the cloud, where ice forms, and warmer areas, where water droplets are found. So more and more water freezes onto the pellets.
Aside from my total lack of control over the situation, this is actually going really well. Luckily, we're not seeing any cyclone activity.
Initiating Cyclone Activity Simulator.
I'm starting to think that installing voice commands on this device was a bad idea. That one's on me.
A tornado is a rotating column of air stretching from thunderstorm clouds to the ground. Tornadoes are actually invisible, like wind or cartoon ghosts. We can only see them when they're filled with water, dust, or debris, or hamsters, crabs, and robot dogs.
Hold on, and do not let go.
Wind speed equals ludicrously fast, 40 to 318 miles per hour. Sound equals louder than a fire truck, up to 130 decibels. Strength equals enough to lift a pickup truck more than 2 tons.
My box! It's very important. After that box!
A tornado watch means that the conditions are right and tornadoes might occur. A tornado warning means that tornadoes have been spotted and you should get to a basement, closet, or other inside space right away. Under no circumstances should you try to fly on a robot dog.
Fly faster! We're near the storm's edge. Maybe we can catch the box before it hits the water. Step on it, chew toy. I'm serious, Adonis. Swift, like the wind.
Changing wind current speed to swift.
Gah! Curse this device and its overactive voice recognition. Okay, I'll admit it. I might have made this invention a little too genius.
When I am having technical difficulties, I give myself a little reset. Have you tried turning the device off and turning it back on again?
Great minds think alike, and so do ours. That's precisely what I'm gonna do.
Hello. What would you like the weather to be today?
Normal!
Normalizing barometric pressure and atmospheric conditions relative to the local environment.
My science supplies!
Are they safe?
Oh, they're safe. Thanks, science, they're safe. My yum-yums! You can't do good science on an empty stomach. Time to flood my belly with snacks. For science.
Initiating flood sequence.